If a wheel hits the blue, it is 5 points. If a wheel hits the red, it is 10 points. Sound good?
Yeah.
Oh, no! So that'd be like 5 points, I think. Evite's finest.
Yes.
These people have been made from the fires of steel and sip-and-see invitations.
And they're the only people that said yes.
Yes, that's right. Put your hands together for Chloe and Nick. Guys, how are you feeling right now? Are there any nerves? You ready?
We're ready to get the W.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's 10 points. Congratulations. That's so exciting. How do you guys feel right now?
Like winners.
Yeah. Next up is Ashley, Hubert, and Jasmine. I have faith in you guys. Hubert's getting ready.
Oh, yeah, he's getting ready.
Okay, let's do this, guys. Okay. 1, 2. I call it, Jasmine. 1, 2, 3.
Go back.
That's 0 points! Office chair curling claims a lot of victims.
Yeah, this team is like warming up.
Yeah, this team is like professionals.
Stretching. Let's welcome Nor and Gus.
Yeah! So you guys excited? What's your guys' strategy going into this final round?
Ooh. Winning.
Yeah, nice.
They're stretching again.
Yes. Now remember, you have a tough competitor to beat. There's already someone who hit the red with 10 points. So, the best you can do right now is tie them.
Yeah. Yes.
All right, ready? I'm not trying to make you guys nervous or anything. This is really difficult what we're asking you to do, all right?
You got it.
The odds are not in your guys' favor right now. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm so sorry, guys. You got 0 points too. It's actually a tie for second and third place. So Chloe and Nick, you guys won first place. I have faith. I think you guys can do this.
Yeah.
All right, ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You were so close. Nor and Gus, it's your turn. This is big. This is your chance, guys, to not finish in last place. No one likes to finish last.
Do not tie.
Do not tie again, because then we're going to have to ask you some questions. 1, 2, 3. The flowers as they traditionally do with the Olympics, we're giving away a ring of awesome copy paper. Copyright access to a lot of the music we play. So we'll be playing a 6-second version of the American National Anthem on repeat for you. So enjoy that.